that. Daddy and puppies. It's a good training exercise for him too. Work on his patience. Good boy. Good boy, boys. Work on his patience, you know what I'm saying? Real good training exercise for him. You know what I'm saying? My boy, man. He's a good boy. Real good boy. Stay. Look at him. He love his daddy. That's a good boy. That's a good daddy, too. He gonna get annoyed. My boy. Good boy, boys. Good boy, boys. Look, that's a good dad right there, man. Tell him. Look at him. They love their papa. That's my boy. It's a good training exercise for my boy, too. I got him in the down stay, you know what I'm saying? So, I got puppies all over the place. Look at little Rocco. He getting big, boy, trying to destroy my shoe. Look at that boy. My boy Rocco. Look at this boy. He always at it. The run. Getting big. Always at it. My boy right here, man. Love this boy. Tearing up my shoes. I need some new ones anyway. Look at my boy. Ouch. They just killing me. Come on, baby. Ah, that hurt. I ain't doing nothing but doing some cleanup.